Yeah, I just reached here, try working out me. These motherfucking geese think these Canadian motherfucking geese think they run shit, eh? They think they run shit out here for real. See what I'm saying? These motherfuckers just surrounding the motherfucking place, bro. I tell you, I'm gonna go give these motherfuckers a boot on camera, B. So y'all know I ain't trying to hide nothing, yo. I'm gonna give these bitch ass niggas a boot. One time, swiftly. You feel me? J Junior TV reporting. I'm gonna be the first nigga killing geese out here, bro. These motherfucking geese, dog. J Junior TV reporting killing geese are fucking crazy out here. You feel me? But yo, just historical station.